All right, all right, all right. What do we have here?
I'm making taco pie.
All right, sounds good.
Yes, I got 2 pounds. 1 pound is ground turkey and the other one is ground sausage.
Okay.
Instead of an onion, I like to use Lipton onion soup mix.
Okay.
Once it's done, once it's cooking, I put the Lipton soup mix inside of it with the meat.
Okay.
I put some taco seasoning in there.
All right.
You know, you do it to your taste.
Yeah.
To your liking. Mix that all up in there while it's cooking.
Okay.
Strain it, get that off of there, everything. Then in a bowl, I mix a half a cup of Bisquick,
Okay.
a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and I blend that together and I pour that on top of the meat. After it's done, put it in the oven. Once it gets cooked about maybe 20-25 minutes, bring it out because the bread should be nice and brown. Bring it out, and then I top it with some Mexican style cheese that has Monterey Jack. It's good for quesadillas. It's good for everything. But anyway, it's called Mexican style cheese. Get it from Aldi. And then I just come and bring it out, slice it up, and I put some lettuce and tomatoes on top, and enjoy.
All right.
Taco pie.
All right. Now, what part are we on now?
Making the topping.
Okay.
So I spray the
Okay.
pan, and this is, since it's double meat, so I put 2 pounds of meat in for this dish. I have to double the Bisquick. So earlier I said a half a cup, so make it. So a half a cup. So make it 2 cups of milk.
Okay.
Instead of a half cup of Bisquick, make it a whole cup. And instead of 2 eggs, make it 4.
Okay.
And then we just combine it all together, and we're gonna pour it on top.
All right. We'll see you do.
Okay. I usually put on my wet first. I know some people are gonna say, no, break the egg over in a bowl first. Yeah, but to save time, I keep going. This is me. Everybody cooks the way they want. And just makes it nice and fluffy. This is what it looks like with soup and oh yeah, I added tomatoes. You don't have to do that. Like I said, all of this is your choice. But I put it on the inside instead of eating it on the outside. It's up to you. All the deliciousness. Done. In the preheated oven already. About 375. And just put it in the oven. That's it.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
You take the Mexican style cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And then just put that on top. And you only put it on top, you know, and you don't have to cook this like recook it to like craziness, but you just don't let the cheese melt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
Man, I love that.
It's gonna be delicious. And you know we like it cheesy.
Yes, we do.
We like it cheesy. Okay. Alright, and then I transfer it back into the oven.
And you're just waiting for the cheese to melt on that, right?
That's it.
All right.
This is just something that I like to do. Just sprinkle a little Parmesan.
That's Parmesan?
I mean, parsley, sorry.
Oh, parsley. Okay.
I didn't mean to say Parmesan, my bad. Just to make it pretty.
All right.
And I like the taste.
Okay.
Okay.
About 5 minutes.
That's it.
Oh man, that cheese smells real good. Yeah. Oh boy. You know what this is? Test time. Oh man, that looks really good. Let's see what we're gonna eat here, and then we got a salad to go with it. All right. Let's try it out. And when you cut into it, it's like, man, look at that. That looks really good. Another satisfied customer at Tia's Kitchen.